Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show how to grow football lily. This colorful flowering plant is the easiest to grow and can make your garden beautiful. In India, the flower grows in the middle of the summer. Before summer, you need to repot the bulb of football lily to get large size flowers. We are doing this in the month of April. We have a pot full of lily bulbs. As you can see, they are crowded and broke the pot. First, let us take out the bulbs. Now we will separate the bulbs by applying gentle pressure. We will lose all the soil from the roots. We will distribute the bulbs in these 4 pots. We will cover the holes of the pots with some gravels and fill them halfway with the soil mixture. It contains the same amount of garden soil, organic compost and sand. This soil mixture is well drained and contains proper nutrients. Put the bulbs in the pot and fill with soil mixture. Keep the tips of the bulbs outside of the soil. Now apply water fully. Keep the pots under direct sunlight. This is after 1 month. The buds are being formed. After 38 days. One of the buds has started blooming. It may seem that the stalk is too small and the flower will be small also. But this is not correct. The stalk as well as the flower will grow slowly and will be in maximum size at the time of full blooming. After 40 days. The buds are growing well. After 44 days. The stalks and the flowers have grown larger. After 48 days. The flowers are in full bloom. Some buds are still there. They will bloom very soon. So as you have seen how easy it is to grow football lily. No extra care is needed after potting. Just water them before the soil becomes completely dry. One important thing is sunlight. Put them in direct sunlight until the blooming starts. Once you see the flowers, put them under partial shade. If you keep the flowers under the scorching direct sunlight, then the flowers will burn. This is the first part that shows what to do to get the flowers of football lily. The second part of this video shows how to take care of them after flowering until the next season. So don't forget to watch the second part. You have seen this video till the end. It means a lot to us. Thank you. Subscribe our channel for more of these types of videos. See you in the next video.